Welcome to this presentation on student-generated test questions. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how to help students write and discuss test questions. The purpose of this activity is to help students prepare for a summative test by working in groups to write their own test questions, which the teacher may or may not choose to use in their upcoming test. You may have heard of an activity in which students write flashcards with a test question on one side and the answer on the other. In this activity, the teacher collects the card of questions and answers to review quickly to check for accuracy and possibly grade, and then hands them out another day for students to read, share, and discuss their peers' questions and answers. Since this may create too many cards for the teacher of a large class to review, it could be adapted by having students complete this task in small groups of 6. Same level grouping is suggested, as it may allow more students to speak up, since lower level students may not want to speak up as much in mixed level groups. However, mixed level groups may allow for peer tutoring. This may be a good activity to allow students to choose their own groups, since some students may be motivated more by this. Whichever grouping you choose, tell students that each group will prepare 3 good quiz questions along with their answers. It is possible that some of the best questions will appear on their final test. It may be best to first train students in writing test questions. Provide good samples of 3 types of questions: multiple choice, true, false, and matching on the board. Remind students that the questions should be at the right level of challenge, not too easy or difficult. Be clear, not confusing, and use correct grammar, and be on topic. Cover the key points in the required context. Provide a sample that falls in each of these, 3 ways. One that is too difficult, one that is not clear, and one that is off topic. Discuss why they are not ideal and cross them out so students know they are poor examples. After the groups complete their questions and answers on cards, they are collected by the teacher or team leaders to review, correct, and or grade if wanted. Another day, the cards are distributed randomly to pairs of students who test each other and then swap cards with other pairs. They can also discuss if they think the teacher may use this question on the test and why or why not. Disadvantage. Assessing the student's ability to write a test question is not the same as assessing the content. So, although the questions and answers can be graded, an individual test will also need to be given following this activity to test the student's ability in learning the required content. Advantages. This is a learner centered activity that prepares students for the test and allows students to participate in writing potential test questions, which could be motivating.